Okay, y'all, so I'm back. This is my hair after a full day of air drying. This side's a little more fuller than this side, if you can't tell. So anyway, got myself scarf, the one I had since I was like 4 years old. And I'm about to show y'all how I put my hair into a pineapple. I need my scrunchie. Here it is. So I basically just pulled my hair up into like a high puff with my scrunchie. Boom. Make my scarf into a triangle, so fold the square at the two corners. And I always put the flat side at the back of my head. So it's like that. Make sure the fluff is out. And oh Jesus, got me looking real evilish. Boom, 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 boom. And it's like this. Then I take the scrunchie out. I do not sleep the scrunchie. And boom, this is the pineapple. So I kind of like let it show like this, but my scarf is so big that I could actually make it like a tall tower. Or sometimes I stuff it in and fold this part over so no hair is out. But I actually sleep with a satin pillowcase, so I kind of let it hang out and it's fine. So tomorrow what I'll do is I'll take a video of me taking down my scarf and me fluffing my hair out slash really judging my afro. It's like real late, so I'm a little tired, so ignore my eyes, and I hope I made sense. See you next time.